Your first Waffle House experience. And it's your first Waffle House.
I'm gonna share a waffle with you.
You're gonna share waffle with
I'm
me?
gonna have an egg.
Okay.
That you can have whatever you want. Yes.
You can have whatever you want on their menu, but they're famous for
Waffle.
yeah, and for fighting.
Fighting?
Yes.
She's telling the truth though.
Yeah.
We just gonna hope this. Oh,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Shit. It looks like a professional fighter.
They probably are used to it. Okay, yeah, this one's not even busy, so this is good. Okay. I ain't putting up pictures. I go towards this way to one of the my threaders. I wanna go get threaded. So.
Wow. You didn't bring suspenders?
No.
You should always bring those. You're gonna have
cheese and eggs.
Okay, that looks good. Okay, it's like, what is this?
Oh, he went.
What is it?
Oh, you gotta let him try something.
A grit is corn.
Never tried.
You never heard of it? Your first Waffle House experience. Okay.
I can just.
Yes, now you can try.
You say you like it?
No, he said now I can try it. I told him to wait. Try again. No? It's good?
What a good breakfast.
Normally you don't eat so much. Only one piece of the waffle. We did good.
Plate.
Nice.
The
Eggs.
Well, I had scrambled, but the eggs were good. What
Your
about the
eggs
grits?
look
What
good.
you think about the grits? Interesting.
No, it's not my kind of.
Well, I think some people
It's not
like,
his kind of pudding.
You know, some people like cream of wheat. Some people are grits. Some people like what's the other? Oatmeal.
This is a review from the Waffle House, okay? The man says, as a 51-year-old British man who never visited the States, I'm especially excited to visit the Waffle House upon everything I've heard over the years. For most of the night, I was slightly disappointed and underwhelmed. It was just me quietly enjoying my hash browns and coffee while everything seemed normal. Then out of nowhere, I heard a woman scream, "Bitch, stop emailing my man." And suddenly, two large women were locked in a full-on brawl right by the counter. One of them cracked the other over the head with a napkin holder, and just like that, it was over. The staff barely batted an eye. As I was recovering from the shock, my waitress leaned over and said, "Another Tuesday night at the Waffle House. 5 stars."
Not 5 stars.
5 stars.
The experience.
He wants the experience. You didn't get an experience like that. How many stars you give?
6 of 10.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. For the service or for the food?
The service was nice. The waitress was super sexy.
Tam.
Oh.